The wellness industry has grown into a multi-billion-dollar global market, promising health, vitality, and longevity through a dizzying array of supplements, powders, pills, and herbal remedies. While these products can appeal to anyone seeking proactive health management, the overwhelming majority of claims are not grounded in rigorous science. This stark contrast between evidence-based medicine and trendy, unregulated wellness products has profound implications for public health, individual safety, and financial well-being. The allure of quick fixes, celebrity endorsements, and persuasive marketing often overshadows the importance of scientific validation, creating a dangerous landscape in which people may unknowingly harm themselves while chasing illusory benefits. Evidence-based medicine relies on robust scientific methods, including randomized controlled trials, peer-reviewed research, and reproducible results. These approaches ensure that treatments are both effective and safe, with clear knowledge of dosing, interactions, side effects, and contraindications. Prescription medications, dietary interventions studied in clinical settings, and lifestyle recommendations supported by strong data provide measurable outcomes and predictable effects. This systematic rigor allows healthcare providers to make informed decisions, tailor interventions to individual needs, and monitor for adverse events. In short, evidence-based medicine prioritizes safety and efficacy over appeal or hype. In contrast, the supplement-driven segment of the wellness industry often operates without the same level of scrutiny. Dietary supplements in many countries, including the United States, do not require pre-market approval by regulatory authorities like the FDA. Companies can market products with broad claims such as boosts energy, supports immunity, or anti-aging, without conducting large-scale clinical trials or proving that the active ingredients have any measurable effect in humans. Labeling can be vague, with proprietary blends obscuring exact dosages and ingredient composition. This regulatory gap creates a fertile environment for products that may be ineffective at best and harmful at worst. Overconsumption, nutrient imbalances, liver or kidney strain, and dangerous interactions with prescription medications are not uncommon, yet they often go underreported or unnoticed. The consequences of bypassing evidence-based validation are evident in the proliferation of unproven and sometimes hazardous trends. Compounds such as high-dose antioxidants, herbal extracts, or so-called longevity molecules are marketed with lofty claims, yet human studies frequently fail to replicate the promising results observed in animal models or in vitro experiments. For example, anti-aging compounds like NMN or resveratrol show intriguing effects in laboratory studies, but robust human trials are limited and inconclusive. Consumers drawn in by marketing narratives may spend substantial sums and expose themselves to unknown risks, including liver stress, gastrointestinal issues, or drug interactions. The perception of safety is further bolstered by the natural equals harmless myth, which downplays the biological potency of these compounds and encourages higher doses or combinations without supervision. Another critical concern is that reliance on unregulated supplements can delay proper medical treatment. Individuals may self-treat vague symptoms, fatigue, joint pain, digestive disturbances, cognitive lapses, with trendy wellness products instead of seeking diagnostic evaluation. This delay can exacerbate underlying conditions, leading to preventable complications, chronic illness progression, or even life-threatening outcomes. For instance, a person experiencing anemia might self-supplement with high-dose iron without testing, risking iron overload while ignoring potential sources of internal bleeding or chronic disease. Similarly, individuals using untested herbal remedies for cardiovascular health could inadvertently interfere with prescription medications, resulting in strokes, heart attacks, or other serious events. Evidence-based medicine also addresses the issue of cumulative risk. When multiple supplements are taken simultaneously, often encouraged by wellness marketing to cover all bases, the risk of nutrient imbalances, toxicity, and interactions multiplies. Without clinical oversight, it is nearly impossible for consumers to predict how different ingredients will interact within the body, particularly in populations with pre-existing conditions, polypharmacy, or age-related organ decline. Evidence-based approaches, by contrast, provide clear dosing guidelines, monitoring protocols, and known safety margins, reducing preventable harm. The financial dimension cannot be ignored either. Consumers often spend thousands of dollars annually on trendy supplements, driven by persuasive advertising and social influence. Unlike validated treatments, These expenditures rarely deliver reliable benefits and may, in some cases, necessitate medical intervention if side effects arise. The combination of wasted resources and potential health risks creates a compounding problem, wherein the pursuit of wellness through unverified products can paradoxically compromise both health and finances. Ultimately, the contrast between evidence-based medicine and the unregulated wellness industry highlights a fundamental truth: safety and efficacy cannot be assumed. Rigorous testing matters because human biology is complex, and interventions that appear promising in theory or in marketing narratives may fail or cause harm in practice. Adhering to science-based standards allows healthcare professionals to make informed recommendations, tailor treatment to individual needs, and prevent the hidden dangers associated with unchecked supplement use. Without this foundation, wellness becomes a gamble, where the illusion of control and rapid improvement obscures real risks, including toxicity, organ damage, nutrient imbalances, delayed diagnosis, and financial loss. Understanding this distinction is essential in a culture that increasingly equates health with supplementation, biohacking, or trendy regimens. Consumers must critically evaluate claims, seek professional guidance, and prioritize interventions that have been rigorously studied. Evidence-based medicine is not merely a bureaucratic standard. It is the only reliable safeguard against the seductive but potentially dangerous promises of the wellness industry. Ignoring this principle can lead to serious harm, financial waste, and a false sense of security, underscoring that science, not marketing, must be the foundation of safe and effective health practices.